What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Denver Beer and Oil. It's another day and nobody's here again. Will's going to California for the entire month and he'll be sending videos from California to me. We'll edit them and then you guys will get some live California. They've got the LS Swap Datsun out there and I think they're planning on building a car while they're out there too, so that should be interesting. Chris took the day off. I don't actually remember why, but he did. So today's Pathfinder day. I'm gonna get it in. I'll show you guys what's been done and everything like that. So go grab the Pathfinder. All right, so here's that boy. It's an engine. Basically, so far when we bought it, it needed a new water pump and timing belt. So went ahead and did that, and then it was still running completely crap. So we went through, checked spark, replaced the spark plugs. The guy said wires were done. We believed him because I got shocked a few times testing for spark, and eventually we heard 3 injectors weren't opening on this. I think it was just this bank, or no, it was this one back here and then these 2. So went to the junkyard and I went through like 3 different Pathfinders, and of the 3 I could only get 3 injectors. So it seems like it's a really common problem for injectors to go out, but right now it runs on 6. But also the issue right now is with the MAF unplugged, it'll run at 2,000 RPM, like idle, and then with the MAF plugged in, it dies. So I'm thinking vacuum leak. I'm gonna plug the MAF in and then get some brake clean from over there and test for some vacuum leaks and see if we can find anything. Okay, I don't think this is flammable enough or sprayy enough. Ah, I killed it. Well, try another can. I think we found it, maybe. Wish I had a screwdriver here. I'll just do this. Okay, so MAF plugged back, unplugged again, doesn't help, but it totally started running pretty well there. There's just this tube here that's kind of come off, so I'll get that off and replace it, and we'll see if it fixes it again. But I just don't think that's enough of a vacuum leak, but it's a start at least. I mean, it stayed alive instead of me having to modulate over here. The revs didn't shoot up, but I don't know, I'm kind of in the dark here, so I'll replace that or fix it, and then we'll see how we go on from there. What's up, guys? Chris is on speaker too, so we're all here for this momentous occasion where
Hello, YouTube!
See, he's here. It's proven. But it's a momentous occasion. We got 1 vacuum line on. We're gonna see how it goes. You ready, Chris?
I'm ready.
All right. Oh shit! Did I plug in the MAF? I did. Look at me go. Dude, that's just a low idle, you know? Okay. Chris, you hear that? I think I lost Chris. Damn Bluetooth in this car. What's up, man? Did you hear anything?
Nope.
Okay, cool. It's connected to the car's Bluetooth, but essentially it idled for longer but still died.
So it was better.
Hello.
these guys came.
We're
good.
chilling. It's Hamish's day.
Yeah, nobody else is here at the shop except for these two
Yeah.
jabronis now.
We came by to just eat in front of him.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He gave me a piece
Yeah,
of
we
whatever
just
that
share.
is. Yeah.
That we're sharing.
But since it was idling a little bit better, we sprayed some brake clean pretty much underneath the intake manifold, and the revs picked up. So I got to drop that again or pull it.
Pull it.
Same thing.
Pull it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just pull the upper half, right? It's like upper lower
yeah,
setup.
it's just like there's 5-6 mils here,
Oh,
and then the rest of the shit I just pull off as it's stuck to the car. There's 2 coolant lines on the back that are really annoying though, but that's it. All right, took the intake manifold off. I didn't plug in the auto control valve, so doy. It did pick up revs, you know, when I had it just like kind of idling and I did the brake clean, but it picked it up in such a slight way that I think that's why the car was idling with the auto control valve off. You know, I think it's like an acceptable vacuum leak, which I might get roasted for by Chris or you guys. But either way, we're gonna start it up and see if we have an idling car again. I looped the heater core lines in the back. Not heater core, sorry. The thermostatic valve. I looped that. And that might be a weak point or not great point. But I lost one of the hose clamps, so you do what you do. That's even worse. Why is it worse? I'm gonna go over everything that I did here just to make sure I didn't miss anything important. That's all good. These are, oh, I did have one line unhooked. Maybe that was it. Okay, just took it for a test drive. It idles, but super misfirey. So I think the plan for that is there's more vacuum leaks. I tested out the PCV, which goes from the valve cover like straight to the intake manifold. That's got a few intake leaks, so I'm gonna take it off and try and ghetto that stuff together or just make it work. But it's really smoky in here, and it smells like it's on still really bad fuel. So the goal is, I think, fix the rest of the vacuum leaks in here, try and get the brakes fixed. Dude, you got to be full on them and you're still moving, so it's a little scary. But yeah, get the brakes going, and then I can go take it to get some gas in it, and then I should have a car that I can register, and hopefully it passes emissions. That smoke out the back is a little bit concerning to me, but we'll see how it does. Okay, so we're back again for like the 60th time with the intake manifold removed. I've got the intake breather hose replaced. I use like a heater core one, so we'll see the long-term efficiency on that. And then I got another one over here for this side. This looked fine. Didn't do anything when I hit it with the brake clean. What I did find, and like these, I didn't even see anything wrong with them. I'm doing it out of caution. But this brake line here, which seems to go to like a fuel canister or something or another, had a hole in it. So I bet that wasn't helping either. But from there, I'm hoping to just slap it back together again. And yeah, towards the end of this, I should actually, hopefully, have a car that idles and runs pretty happily. All right, test 1000. Let's go. Still not amazing, is it? See if we can't find anything. Don't die on me. Oh, okay, there's a major leak. I didn't even get that yet. Well, it's still mad. You can hear like that hardcore whistling. You guys know what that is? I don't know. I bet you the reds are gonna pick up right here. I can't figure it out. I'm not giving up, but I think that's it for today. Well, alright guys, now it idles. So I feel like that was a small win. You guys weren't around for it to get the injectors and then not idle. But it still has a bunch of vacuum leaks. So the next goal is just to try and knock those out. I need to fix the brakes. They're starting to be better and better the more I pump them. So I think they just need to bleed. And I don't think it'll pass emissions like this, so it's for sure I gotta get the vacuum leak sealed. I might just start RTV. I might RTV the intake manifold gasket because it seemed to be leaking a little bit from there. And ultimately I just need to pull the upper intake manifold off again and really go through for leaks, or just do every single tube there is. But I'm happy, it idles now, which is a huge improvement, and the next time I get a chance I'll be able to work on it again. Thank you guys for watching this far ahead, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, have a good one, guys.